Hi, I'm Jack Shannon. If you're looking to implement ERP software, I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry because, well, I've been down that road also. Putting a new ERP system in any organization is a big deal. It's a big project. And like any other large project your company undertakes, you need to put a team together to get through it. But who should be on that team? What are their roles and responsibilities? This blog about team building is going to answer those questions and many others. I hope you enjoy the blog. If you do enjoy the blog, spend some time afterwards looking at other informative blog posts we have to help guide you through this process and other processes. If you'd like to talk about ERP implementation or selection, I'd be happy to talk to you. Just go to the home page. In the upper right-hand corner, there's a button for free consultation. Click on that button, fill out a short form, and I'll be in touch. Thanks.